Hello everyone, this is Akatek Yugi as usual. So to this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get to earn money from your Facebook content. So all you need to do, you first need to switch your Facebook account to a professional mode. So tap onto the the three dots icon, then tap on turn on professional mode, then tap on update your profile. Next, confirm. Then what else? Tap on next. Then go to dashboard. Get started. Update. So once you're done doing that, then we go back. So what you're gonna do is to tap onto the three lines icon. Once you're done, then tap on dashboard. Then over here, scroll down a little bit, then tap where you see content monetization. Once you're done tapping there, then you can submit your request, and upon submitting, if your content is good enough to be monetized, you start earning money from your Facebook content.